It might be too cold for this, but I wanted to do, to close out January jail jewelry challenge. I wanted to do 4 pair double lock picked up. But like I said, it's cold. Kind of rethinking this idea. Oop. Hold on now. There we go. Okay. 3 pair double locked. Come on, you. Why don't you double lock? Oh, you are double locked. Okay. And you're double locked. All right. 4 pair. This one? That work? That'll work on some of them, but I'm also gonna need you. Okay. Viper Tech first. So I did 4 pair double lock escaped, only for it not to record because my damn storage was full. So I'm gonna have to redo it. Yay me. It's too freaking cold for this shit. Let's try this again. And hopefully I can do it before my battery or storage stops recording and fucks up my whole day. 1, 2, 3, 4 double lock. And 1, 2, 3, 4 double lock. Let's try this again. Like I said last time, which you didn't see, it's cold. I want to get this over with. Too cold to be doing this crap, especially twice. There's a double on the Viper. Get out of here. Whoop. Come on. Oh. 1 pair. Now for the Smith & Wessons. I gotta switch to a thinner pick because I got a tighter keyway. Also gotta turn the pick around. Every cuff's slightly different. I gotta do more pushing than a sweeping. And then switch to a sweep to get the pick. Whoop. Stay still. See. Pushing. I didn't get it.
Hey, Dad.
Yeah.
Is the, what's it called? The walkway paved all the way, or do you want me to do it a little bit more?
I mean, it could use some more, but.
Okay. I'm just not doing anything, so.
Okay.
Alright, I love you.
Love you. Cameo appearance. If we're still recording. Why? Are you being such a Ouch. There it is. Whoop. A little aggressive. Switch back to the other pick. At least get the double? No. There it is. Ugh. Would you believe me if I said I did better on the one that you didn't see? You can take my word for that, right? Mm-hmm. Come on. Why you gotta be a jerk? Oh, my elbow's freezing. Of course. Stay the heck on, man. Finally. Really get on my nerves. What the hell are you? There. You still recording? Good. God. That's the end of the jail January jewelry challenge. 4 cuffs double picked. I'm telling you, it was better the first time, but you'll never see it because technology doesn't like me. Anyway, have a good one. See you next month. Outro. This is the mother... Well, let's keep this PG. This is the mother humping outro. Like, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you all have a very nice day.